Hey everyone, so I'm going to show off how to download the Google Play Store onto the brand new 2020 Amazon Fire HD8. This will work for the HD8 as well as the HD8 Plus. I am using the HD8 Plus here. So when you first get this and set up, it only has the Amazon App Store. It does not have Google Play Store. So first things you want to do is go to your settings there. Then you want to scroll down to see security and privacy. And then where it says apps from unknown sources, hit that. Then hit Silk browser up top there. And then this will be turned off. You want to hit that baby on. That will allow you to download sources from Silk browser. Or download things from the Silk browser, excuse me. And then you can get out of settings. Then go to your Silk browser here. Then in Google, or Bing or whatever, it does Bing automatically. Do Google Play Store download for Amazon Fire. I always go off of the How To Geek. For me, it's the very first one there. And this will actually talk you through how to do it, but it's very, very simple. Just scroll down and to see all these APKs. So you want to hit each one in order. So start with Account Manager, and then go to Service Framework, then Google Play Store APK, and then the Play Store APK on the end there. So first we'll hit the Account Manager. Alright, now when you first hit this, it might ask you to allow Silk permission to download stuff. Just hit yes and OK. Then when you scroll down, hit Download APK here. And then it will start to download it. It'll open up a new page. Hit the OK, just asking you if you want to keep it, if you want to download it. And then down there, it'll tell you that it's been downloaded. You can exit out of that one. Now let's go to Service Framework. So again, do these in order here. I actually tried doing this video once and I accidentally skipped the framework for some reason. So again, just go down here, hit APK. Or download APK, hit OK once again. Then again, once it's downloaded, you are good. So it asks you to open it. You don't open it. Do all this stuff first. Then we'll go to Google Play Services APK. Again, scroll down to see the download APK, and actually hit the APK so they learn more. Like I almost did there. Download is starting, and hit OK. And then it'll download it again. This is very, very simple. This probably takes about 5 minutes to do. Then you can actually use the Google Play Store. Alright, they'll go down. And then this also works for any of the Amazon Fires. So I have it on my 2016 8-inch, and I also have it on my 2019 10-inch. Alright, so it's doing the same thing for all of these. Okay. Then when you have downloaded all 4 of those, you get out of Silk, and then go to your files. Then you'll see they are downloaded here. So you want to do these again in order here. And it actually tells you what time you did them at. That will help you know which one was first. So let's start with the first one. Hit it. Hit continue. Hit install on the bottom there. That will install the account manager. Hit done. Next we'll go up to this one, the framework. Continue. Then install. I believe if you do not do these in this order, it can mess it up. It will not work correctly. So just make sure you do it in the correct order. Google Play Services. So again, it's the same order as we downloaded them from the website. Some of these are bigger than others, so they do take a little bit longer to install. But again, this will allow you to use the actual Google Play Store and not be stuck with Amazon App Store. And there is some decent stuff on the Amazon App Store, but there's more stuff on the Play Store, of course. Alright. I'm going to get rid of both of those. And now, if you guys did that correctly, you see down here is the Play Store. Then it'll ask you to log in. Alright, then once you log into your Gmail account, your Google account, and you accept it all and whatnot, it will give you to the Google Play Store here. As you can see, Google Play Store. So I have apps and games, movies and whatnot. And all that good stuff. So then you can go download stuff like Call of Duty. I made a video on doing this on my old Fire, and people were saying that it was that I cheated on doing this, hacked into it, but I really did not, because it's right here. So then you guys can go ahead and install it. You can install anything you want off of the Google Play Store. So you guys go. Again, it takes 5 minutes, and you have the awesome Google Play Store on your new Amazon Fire device, instead of just having to use the Amazon App Store. And of course, you can also do it that way. Yeah, so there you guys go. Thank you guys very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come on this new beautiful device. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.